Marikyo Gardens. So dito po tayo pupunta and iikot ko po kayo dito. Okay. Guys, so I'm here in Shimbashi and papasyal ko kayo dito sa aking dating pinanggalingan at kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. And ipapakita ko na rin yun ng magandang lugar dito sa Shimbashi. Okay, see you later. Guys, may 300 yen ako. So, papasok tayo dito sa area na to. And ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ganda ng place na to. Okay. Ito ang magagawa sa 300 yen. Okay, for entrance ay sa loob, guys. And look at the surrounding. No. So refreshing and nakakahinga ka ng malalim. Okay, guys. Samahan niya ako. So dito lang ako na side magpakuha kasi dito nga ang pangit ng ipin ko. Hindi pa to na pre-poke. Charot. So dito tayo, guys. And ikot natin ito. Okay. Ito tayo dito. This way. And papakita ko yung pinaka-highlights na in something that you can ma-amaze po kayo sa lugar. Okay, guys. Wait lang. Kasi guys, pumunta na ako dito. And then, I don't know kung na-vlog ko na siya o hindi. So, let's go. Parang akala nyo walang tao. Maraming tao po dito, guys. Kaso lang, malaki kasi itong koe na to. This area is so big. Okay. Okay, guys. First station. This is the monument of statue of Omishima no Mikoto. The statue one competition held in the honor of Japan celebrating the anniversary of the fifth breeding the Russian Emperor of the First Meiji in 1894. Believed to be have been created by famous artist Akira Sano and cut by wood metal representation. Yes, it is it. Okay, guys. Statue. Okay. Jahan Shironori Pond and Maxwell Ushaya and Alaji House. Okay, go. We have to go there. Okay. Let's go here. So amazing. This is the duck ano yata to hunting here. I think the duck hunting here. Ang ganda ng place. Yan, guys. And so here is an amazing place. And Konojishima Konoshi's flats in the name of Konojima is Chinese characters and the meaning small slits in the name Konji because the arrangements is a symbol of shape and character and the slit in the center. The two smaller ones link in the bridges between and left the right side. Okay. Ang ganda diba ng the area here. And place here. Kahit iikot mo lang siya ng very slight. And then, ang ganda papapicture dito, guys. Later magpa-picture ako. Amazing place. Medyo mautsura. And then, yan. So, basahin nyo na lang mga guys kasi ang init-init na guys. This is 1707 area. Yan. Sinaunang bahay o sinaunang lugar noon.